Looking for fast, affordable, and reliable web hosting in 2025? Then stop scrolling, because Hostinger might just be the perfect match for your website or online business. With over 29 million users worldwide, Hostinger has become one of the most searched hosting platforms this year. Why? Because it offers ultra-fast loading speeds, 99.9% uptime, and free domain and SSL, all for some of the lowest prices on the market. Whether you're launching a blog, building an online store with WordPress, or scaling your portfolio site, Hostinger's user-friendly control panel, automated backups, and global CDN make it incredibly easy, even if you're not tech-savvy. Plus, in 2025, their AI website builder is one of the top trending tools. With just a few clicks, you can have a full website online in minutes, no coding required. Want to try Hostinger with exclusive discounts? Just click the link in the description below and sign up today to get started with your new website. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave your thoughts in the comments, and share it with someone who needs better hosting. See you in the next one.